There is a quiet war happening in the world of high-end imaging, and for the last 3 years, Sony has been holding its fire. We all remember the shockwaves in 2022 when the A7R VI dropped with that AI processing unit. It was a glimpse into a future where the camera was smarter than the photographer. But as we move through 2026, the landscape has shifted. The resolution ceiling of 61 megapixels, which Sony themselves established back in 2019, hasn't just been reached, it's being crowded. Canon, Nikon, and even Leica are breathing down their necks. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The Sony A7R VI is no longer just a rumor. As we sit here today, the first production units are already in the hands of elite testers from the fashion houses of New York to the National Geographic explorers in the Amazon. We aren't just talking about a version 6. We are talking about the 80-megapixel revolution. This is a camera designed to do the impossible. Make professional medium format systems like Fujifilm and Hasselblad look slow, bulky, and obsolete. In this video, we are going to peel back the curtain on the most ambitious camera Sony has ever built. We'll talk about the brand new 80.1 megapixel full-stacked sensor, the Bionz XR2 processor that handles data like a supercomputer, and the AI Prediction AF that can actually anticipate a subject's movement before it happens. But more importantly, we're going to discuss the hidden video specs that might make this the greatest hybrid camera ever made. If you've been looking at the A1 II or thinking about jumping ship to the Nikon Z9 II, stop. You need to hear this first. Because for the first time in history, the R in A7R doesn't just stand for resolution, it stands for radical. Let's dive straight into the heart of the machine, the sensor. For nearly 7 years, 61 megapixels was the gold standard for full-frame detail. It was enough to print billboards, but it had its limits. The readout speed was slow, and the noise at high ISO was a constant battle. The A7R VI shatters that ceiling with an 80.1 megapixel Exmor RS stacked CMOS sensor. This is a generational leap. By moving to a stacked architecture, Sony has effectively solved the lag that plagued previous high-res cameras. We are looking at a sensor that reads out data nearly 4 times faster than the A7R VI. Why does that matter to you? It means that for the first time, you can shoot 80 megapixel files at 30 frames per second with a full 14-bit raw depth. Imagine that every single second you are capturing 2.4 gigapixels of data. It's a level of throughput that was science fiction just 5 years ago. And for the landscape photographers, the pixel shift mode has been upgraded. We're hearing whispers of a 320 megapixel composite mode that uses the new 9-stop in-body image stabilization to cancel out even the slightest microscopic vibrations. This isn't just a camera, it's a digital microscope. But resolution without intelligence is just a big file. That's where the dual AI processing comes in. The A7R VI doesn't just have an AI chip, it has a dedicated neural engine solely for human pose estimation and predictive path tracking. Previous models could track an eye. The A7R VI tracks the skeletal structure. It knows where your subject's elbow is,